Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zach here. So today I am going to be wiring all this. So as you can see, the wires are all screwed up, all cut, welded, soldered. This part here is soldered once, twice, three times. Tiga kali, 3 times. What the hell is the previous owner thinking? So I'm gonna slice this, solder them, make it look like new. Make sure the wirings are all clean and perfectly. I don't want anything get shorted. I'm not so sure what this is. I think it's connectors, I guess. Let me see. Let me just take out this tape. Yep, apparently it's the connectors. I don't know why would he use this kind of connectors. But yeah, these kind of connectors are not waterproof. They will have water through them and it might short the whole headlight. So yep, it's just some white connector, just like that, I guess. So I'm gonna pull it out. Yep, just like that. Apparently this connector is all together. I think this is the one that lights up the rings. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make sure that this get done properly, sealed properly. I could just reuse the connector back, it's fine. I'll probably like tape all the wires together as well, so it's properly sealed and not as bad as this. This one I have no idea what this is. Let's just try to open it up and see what's inside. God, wiring, taping and all this is horrible though. I really hope whoever did this is not working on people's car. I know some people were like, it's fine, it's no big issue. It is, guys, it is, When I see any shop that do this kind of work, yeah, I'm not gonna be very happy with it. There you go. That is why, I support a lot of shops, local shops around here as well, But when they do work like that, yeah, I'm never ever sending my car ever again. As soon as I see him just taping like that, I'm gonna tell him, buddy, yeah, pass me the car back. I'm not gonna do the car here. Look at this tape. That's a 3mm tape, and it's not tape. It's just like welded together, and it's even open. There's a hole here. So I actually have, hold on. Yeah, I have a bit of silicone here, which I'm just gonna put it here for time being, and then I'm gonna heat it up. You do not want any holes in here. It's fine. Obviously there's a vent as well, like this one. This part here vents like the heat and stuff like that. So there's no condensation on the lens and stuff. But any holes like that, water can get in. You see from below here, there's like a gap and it's like a structure like that, so water can't really get in, but air can easily exit out. So I think this is a connector as well. Let me open up and check. Yep, it is a connector as well. Wow, I doubt. It's horrible workmanship though. And it's a half cut condition, so I don't know who were the person that did this. Put my coffee away. I don't want any dirt going in. So yeah, another connector. It's quite unique though, this connector. It's like one of a kind, and I've never seen connectors like that. So you put in, the pin goes in there. Is it? Yeah. Pin goes in there and you just push it out and there you go. Like that. So you can actually remove all this. I'm gonna remove this as well, the wires. This one is just socket plug, definitely. Pull it out. That one as well, pull it out. there you go. So all the wires are out. This one I'll just leave it for now. I think this is also a connector, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this as well. Yep, it's a connector. Voila. Oh, this is a normal 2-pin connector type. Let's show all this. Makes your hand all sticky. I'll never use electrical tape. Never. So yep, got this out. I'm going to wire this all properly and neatly, guys. So before I do that, I think I'm gonna remove this part. I don't see the use for this, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna just remove this. Oh my god. Fast forward. Papa. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat shrink this top here and make sure that it's properly sealed, this whole entire stuff, this whole entire area, so no water gets in. Sockets are very easy and very simple to know. Basically black wire, black and white goes here. This one goes to this stuff which we won't be using. This one is for the H7 light, the low lamp. So if you guys are wondering, for this here guys, not for all general E90s, I'm not so sure about E90 general. Mostly they use, I think, D2S or D1S, something like that. That one comes with the balas and the xenon. I'll be using LED lights for both the low beam and the high beam. So the high beam on this uses a H1 type, which is all broken and spoiled, looks like. It's fine, I'll fix that. And the low beam uses a H7, which I'll be changing to a new connector. As you can see, this one is horrible, so I'm going to be changing to this type. First, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to pull this all the way here, and goodbye, my friend. There you go. Let me check I cut it wrong way. It's like, ah! So I'm going to solder it, but I got to find my heat gun and my... Where is my soldering kit? Alright, I'm gonna go and get that solder kit, guys, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm not actually gonna solder this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this waterproof connectors for the low beam light. And the rest is fine. I'll just use these connectors for now. You know, I'll definitely seal it up and velcro them. Sorry, not velcro, tesa tape them so that no water leaks in and stuff like that. This part here, this part looks horrible, but it's fine. I'll just use a heat shrink and cover them up nicely. But I can't really get any heat shrink on them because there's all these covers over here. I can get away with this, but I wouldn't be able to get away with this. So yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a time lapse and you guys can just watch me how I'm gonna do it, and I'll show you guys when it's all done. Hey guys, alright. So I've did the connector for this. Basically you just plug in like that and it's waterproof. Yeah. So headlight, the high beam, I don't think I'll just leave it like that. I'll probably put like some water repellent cover on top of it or something. I don't know. You know those like those those rubber seal like this one. Yeah, probably you just use this. I mean, you wouldn't run the headlights all the time, you know. I mostly just use the headlights, you know, when there's a car slower in front of me. Everything looks good. Everything looks fine. All neat, nice, clean, tidy. I've even wired this and this side as well. So I do not have my LED lights yet. I'm waiting for the shipment. Hopefully, finger crossed, by tomorrow, I guess. I don't know, or the next day. I did receive DIY headlight restore kit. That's right, guys. That's why I didn't bother if it was like scraping on the table. Mostly what I did, if I don't know if you guys noticed my old video, I did the headlight on the S4 as well. I laid out a paper towel and make sure that I don't scratch this part. I know I actually taped the front. I actually hit the front with paper and just tape it around so it doesn't scratch on the bottom. And I also had paper towels below because I did not want to scratch the headlight. But yeah, this one I didn't mind. It's already in bad condition anyways, guys. It's scratched and all, so yeah, it's man. So yeah, it didn't matter because I'm going to use this anyways. I might actually remove the lens, I guess. I'm not so sure yet. Should I? I really want to spray this part here. It'd be really nice if it's black color though. You know, I don't know why they put it white. There's no effect, there's no lighting as well on this thing. This thing is just like an eyelid. Like, make it black, dude. Everything inside is really black. It's nice, it's perfect. Just this part, yeah, it's ugly though. So I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry, let's get showing away. Sorry, it's a messy, guys. So wire it up here. Clip this in. I made it as short as possible and at angle because it's gonna go like that. So let's close this thing up. It's touching everything. Alright. Okay, that's lock. Yep, that's lock. Alright. So alright guys, so all done. I'm gonna plug this in. Main reason, you see, when I wire it, right, seal it here, I make sure that I leave a bit of gap so I know what wire it is, so I know which goes to which. Like for example, I know this one goes with this, alright, and I know this one goes with this. Why? Because see, I leave the wire here and I can see the wire as well from this side. Oh no, this side I can't though, but this side I can, yeah. This side I can, so I can see it shows here white and black, white and black, green, black, green, black. Yeah, that's a little bit of gap, so that way in the future I will know where the wire is. And also I left a little bit of notch here, so I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a notch here. See, if I were to pull, it comes out straight. Hey guys, alright, all done, all neat, all pretty, all tidy as well. Thank you so much guys for watching always. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna do the next one, but I'm not gonna video it, of course. Do like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao guys.